Fayetteville, North Carolina.
What's up, gang? I busted down. What's up? What's up? You playing on me? It's this. It is. Hey, what's up?
We'll get back to him later in this video. Wichita, Kansas. This package thief thought she was slick, but the homeowner caught her red-handed.
No, give it back.
St. Petersburg, Florida. These two rolled up like they had business here, but ended up swiping items instead.
Huh?
San Francisco, California. This woman went on a vandalism spree, messing up several cars on the block. Then she had the nerve to ring the homeowner's doorbell and tell them to be quiet.
The neighbors are about to call the police right now.
Oh, we're not? Okay. Sorry.
And let's not forget the stolen license plate she's casually carrying around. Wichita, Kansas.
For what?
I was trying to take Rachel's grad.
That's fine, no thank you.
Literally, he grabbed a rock and smashed a window. Opelika, Florida. This lady straight up stole a package right in front of this tiny dog. Guess it's time for the homeowner to upgrade to a bigger dog. Maybe one that comes with a deep growl and a no-nonsense attitude. Lancaster, California. These two creeps just snatched a cute cat chilling outside this house.
We're getting all candy. And we're gonna get way more candy at Palmdale anyway.
Reno, Nevada. This late-night porch thief stole a Chucky doll, leaving the homeowner seriously upset. Let's see what went down.
Hey! You chicken. I just caught you on camera, you piece of shit. Are you kidding me right now?
Fayetteville, North Carolina. This guy sprinkled urine all over the porch. Sparks, Nevada.
Oh my god!
What the?
Whoa! I'm about to aim! What the?
What's wrong with her?
Holy sorry. Put up on the back.
Hialeah, Florida. I really appreciate you choosing to watch my video. If you could like it, I'd be super happy. Keep watching and thanks again. Toledo, Ohio. An SUV with 2 men has been following kids in the neighborhood. The first time it was a white van, and the second time it happened to the homeowner's granddaughter. Keep an eye on your kids, especially around Sylvania Avenue, Imperial Drive, Brookfield Drive, and near the Speedway store. A woman is also involved. It's a reminder to teach kids to avoid strangers. It's worse nowadays.
Yeah, he was. No, I turned that way. That's when I was in the back seat. You see that? Huh? You see somebody in the back seat? Take the phone up. Somebody was in the back seat of that car. And then I turned around. Then he turned around. And then I took off. Yeah, somebody was in the back seat. So like, whoever was in the back seat, I was gonna grab him. Put the bike up. But if I was slow down. Can you just tell me this? Can I what? Put that bike up.
Meanwhile, this creep dude is still hanging around outside.
That good. I'm gonna tell you one time and one time only. Who ain't better than doing this, mother? Yes. I'm not doing this, mother. Yeah. What?
Aurora, Colorado. Denver, Colorado. Another late-night porch pirate strikes.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Never leave packages outside, especially at night. Decatur, Illinois. Check out this dude. He's looking for something under the pillow. Denver, Colorado. Here she is again, stealing a package. We've uploaded a video of her doing the same thing at a different house before. Colorado Springs, Colorado. Don't open the door. Look at what he's carrying. When no one answers, they try to break the door down. Wichita, Kansas. Check him out.
What do you need?
Huh?
Why are you on my porch?
Can I help you?
It's raining.
You're at the wrong
Okay.
house,
Raining
man.
really bad. I was.
Okay, I need you to get off my porch or I'm
Oh.
calling the cops.
No, okay. I'm sorry.
Get off my porch.
It's all right. It's all right. Thank you.
Baldwin, Missouri. This Karen doesn't like the flag, so he decides to remove it. But later in the video, we'll see how the flag owner reacts. Keep watching. St. Petersburg, Florida. Austin, Texas, check her out.
Sorry, we're not interested. Have a great day.
She stole a plant. Toledo, Ohio. This dude's using a metal detector and digging around in someone's yard. Meanwhile, the flag owner confronted the Karen. Let's see how he
Not
reacts.
desecrating my flag. You can vote for anyone you want, but you're not desecrating my f***ing flag. I left him a note too. You can tell him I did it. I mean, it's a f***ing violation of the flag code to attach it on the other side. You can go to prison.
Reno, Nevada.
Hello? Hello?
Fort Wayne, Indiana. This lady's back again trying to open the door late at night. Second time she's done this.
Can I help you with something? Excuse me. Can I help you with something? No sé quién está en la puerta.
Wichita, Kansas.
It's on the third. It's on the third for it was for $59, and I don't know what auto parts store it was because I didn't do it.
Lafayette, Indiana. Erie, Pennsylvania. That's one pretty big bear. Erie, Pennsylvania.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hello? Hello?
Lafayette, Indiana. Lancaster, Ohio. Lots of late-night creeps creeping around. Cape Coral, Florida.
Help me. My name's Sergio Beltran. I was born in Fort Myers. Today's my birthday. I'm 34 years old. My friend, he's lost it. He's driving crazy, swearing that somebody's chasing him. And I try to help him because I'm sober, to help him and drive. But then he gets paranoid and tells me to pull over. And I pull over and I'm telling him, it's okay.
Toledo, Ohio. This porch pirate is at it again. Stole 2 packages right after delivery.
Hello. Okay. Why are you letting her know there? She was terrible this morning, but that's okay. Wait, hold on. I emailed it.
Fort Wayne, Indiana. Seffner, Florida. Colorado Springs, Colorado. Good thing the dog was on a leash. Otherwise, this situation could have been very different. Cincinnati, Ohio. Oklahoma City, Oklahoma.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
San Mateo, California. This lady walked up to the door 3 times last night. First 2 times didn't say a word when the homeowner talked to her through the Ring camera. Cape Coral, Florida. This Amazon delivery woman drops the package, takes a picture, and steals it. And this isn't her first time. She's done it before at the same house. Hialeah, Florida. Cape Coral, Florida. Greenville, South Carolina. Keep your door locked. Lafayette, Indiana. Want to see more videos like this? Click here to watch more. I'll see you in the next one.